Sauerkraut balls, a flavor explosion. Hey there, food lovers. Are you ready to tantalize your taste buds with a fantastically fun and flavorful appetizer? Well, buckle up because today we're delving into the world of sauerkraut balls. These little morsels of tangy, savory goodness are sure to become a new favorite in your appetizer arsenal. Think of it like a mini cabbage roll packed with deliciousness, rolled into a ball, and deep fried to crispy perfection. Sauerkraut balls are a classic and have a dedicated following, and with good reason. They offer a delightful balance of textures. Creamy and tangy sauerkraut mingles beautifully with savory meat and a satisfyingly crunchy outer coating. Whether you're a seasoned sauerkraut enthusiast or simply looking to explore new culinary frontiers, this recipe is for you. So, grab your aprons, let's get cooking, and discover why these little bites are worth all the hype. Ingredients: 1 pound ground pork, or beef, or try a mix of both. 1/2 cup finely chopped onion. 1 16-ounce can sauerkraut, thoroughly drained and rinsed. 1/2 cup dry breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 egg, lightly beaten. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil for deep frying. Yields approximately 20-25 sauerkraut balls. Let's get started. The flavor foundation. In a large skillet over medium heat, brown your choice of ground meat along with the chopped onion. Cook until the meat is no longer pink and the onions are softened. Drain any excess grease. Sauerkraut magic. Add the drained and rinsed sauerkraut to the skillet with the meat and onions. Stir in the dry breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, and black pepper. Cook for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to mingle and the mixture to thicken slightly. Remove from heat and let cool. Forming the balls. Now comes the fun part. Scoop out a tablespoon of the sauerkraut mixture and form it into a ball. Repeat until all the mixture is used up. If the mixture seems too wet to form balls easily, chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to firm it up. The crunchy coating. Set up your breading station. Place the flour in one shallow dish, the beaten egg in another, and the panko breadcrumbs in a third. Roll each sauerkraut ball in the flour, then dip in the egg, and finally coat thoroughly in the panko breadcrumbs. The golden touch. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep fryer or heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C. Carefully fry the sauerkraut balls in batches for approximately 3-4 minutes, or until they're a glorious golden brown. Drain on paper towels. Dipping delights, optional but awesome. Sauerkraut balls are delicious on their own, but why not elevate them even further? Try serving them with creamy Dijon mustard sauce, spicy whole grain mustard, Thousand Island dressing, ranch dressing. Tips for success: squeeze it out. Be sure to drain and rinse your sauerkraut thoroughly. Excess moisture can make the mixture difficult to handle. Flavor variations. Explore different flavor profiles. Try adding crumbled bacon, chopped corned beef, or even a sprinkle of caraway seeds for an extra layer of deliciousness. Make ahead magic. Prepare the sauerkraut balls through the breading stage and freeze them. When you're ready to party, fry them straight from frozen, adding a couple of extra minutes to the cooking time. Sauerkraut balls are a fantastic way to add a touch of excitement and unique flavor to your next gathering, game day, or simply as a satisfying snack. They're easy, customizable, and oh so delicious. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the flavors. And if you love this recipe, let us know and check out our channel for more exciting culinary adventures.